Meditation 101. This meditation is intended for new meditators and beginners. I'd like to begin by explaining one of the biggest misconceptions about meditation. Meditation is not a moment where the mind stops thinking, and is definitely not the aim of the meditation practice to stop the mind from thinking. In fact, that is impossible. Your mind's job is to think. We wouldn't want your heart to stop beating. We wouldn't want your eyes to stop seeing. We definitely don't want your mind to stop thinking, not even while you're practicing meditation. So what we practice in meditation is the ability to come back, to start all over again. In this meditation, you're going to be asked to pay attention to the breath and then to return to the breath each time you notice you're no longer attending the breath. So to get ready and get started, I'm going to ask you to sit down comfortably where your spine is straight. Your chin is inwards a bit, so not sticking out. Your hands are resting on your lap, facing down, if that feels comfortable. And your feet are grounded on the floor. Take a moment here to notice your surroundings, the room temperature, the sounds around you, near and far. Pay attention to your physical body at this moment in time. Without judgment, just noticing how you're feeling. And when you're ready, together, we're going to take a deep inhale through the nose, filling up the lungs, holding the breath at the top. And exhaling fully through the nose. Inhale deep through the nose. Hold your breath at the top. Exhale through the nose till there is no air left in the lungs. We're going to add some movement. Inhale, circle your arms all the way up over your head. Maybe look up. Palms together. Lowering the hands to your heart center as you exhale. We'll do that one more time. Inhale, circle the arms, look up. Exhale, palms to heart center. Rest your hands back onto your body. If your eyes are not closed, go ahead and do that. Bring all of your attention to the nostrils. Notice the breath as it enters your body. Notice the sensation, the temperature, the quality. Notice that small pause before the exhale happens. And then notice the sensation of the exhale, the temperature, the quality. Try not to control your breathing. Let it happen naturally. But bring all of your senses to the experience of breathing. So notice the breath with all of your attention. Now that you're getting used to attending the breath, we'll practice meditation. When your mind wanders away from the breathing, which it will, be kind to that mind. And with kindness, bring it back to what you're doing, which is giving attention to your breath. And as you let go of the exercise, bring to your mind the awareness of the physical body. Notice how the body is feeling. Notice your surroundings, the room temperature, the sounds near and far. And together, we're going to take a deep inhale through the nose. Fill up your lungs all the way. Hold your breath at the top. Open your mouth wide. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Deep inhale through the nose. Fill up the lungs. Hold your breath. Open wide. Exhale. Let it all out. Congratulations, you have meditated. This is a practice that you want to grow. This is a practice that you want to commit to on a consistent basis to exercise the discipline of the mind. And remember that meditation is not about not thinking, but responding to the thinking with kindness and bringing your attention back to what you're doing. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Take a moment to express some gratitude towards yourself for having made the time to breathe attentively. From my heart to yours, namaste.